What's going on, guys? It's time for another video. It's been a while. I'm going over to my boy Louise's house right next door. Let's see what they're doing. What's up, Moosey? Hello. What's the plan for today, Louis? What's the plan for today?
Sucking dick.
I guess this is what we're doing today. Just chilling back, drinking a cold one.
My mom and dad died when I was young.
I guess what I'm going to be doing today is probably sand. If you're down to help, you down to help? Want to sand? You want to help sand? Want to do some sanding? I bought a bunch more sandpaper so we can get some sanding done. Yeah, want to sand?
Plants.
What'd you say? When Mexicans are bored, they what?
They clean.
And you
Spaniards are bored. We take over lands.
Yeah, you guys ruin everything and blame it on people like me.
Gang, gang, fool. Can't put that. That's racist as fuck.
But fool, you're Mexican.
No, I'm not a Spaniard.
So stereotypical.
How does he do that?
Because he's Mexican, dude.
Defies the laws of physics.
I can't do that because I'm white.
I used to be able to make it go over my head.
This is what my day has been consisted of. Me wet sanding with the world's brokest bucket. If that's even a word. I got these over here that are done. Some that are in this box that are done. And I have this much more to go. So I'm going to get all these sanded. Then I'm going to hit it with the polisher. And then I'll be happy. Meanwhile, I'm just kicking it with my boy Sean. Say what's up, Sean.
Gang, 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 gang.
Car parts, car parts, car parts. Hey, 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 car parts.
I got upset. I thought it was car parts.
That's Kitty.
I don't know why. At least
I thought it was car parts, dude.
Me too. Fucking UPS.
It was fucking Kohl's.
Who the fuck orders Kohl's? Car parts, bro. All things.
So, just got done getting all the sun deadening out from the wheel wells back. This is all of it, all the way back to here where you see the yellow. That's where all the sound deadening was. Got that side primered and rubberized. Still need to do this side, and then the front of the driver's side I got done. This whole side I got done, and the back I need to get done still. But I haven't finished that yet. I am still working on this because I want it to be clean when I paint it. Because I mean, look at this, all this hair, fur, whatever the hell it is, still stuck in the car. So as I wait for the shift linkage, I'm going to put it all together. I'm going to put the shift linkage on, drop the old one, probably going to even drop the exhaust. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see what happens when that day comes. Just waiting. It just, Nemo's Garage told me that they just shipped it, the shift linkage. So when it gets here, we'll put it on and I'll show you how to do that. I told y'all. I had to do it to him. I had to do it. Shit. Upon further inspection, notice that I got all this rust right here. I gotta cut that out. Got the tool coming. There's rust here, rust back there. All this right here is all Bondo. So I gotta cut all this out. There's a hole right here that's not supposed to be there. Bondo fucking here. Jesus, Christmas on a cross. And I found out that I have a sway bar. That's the highlight of my day. So I mean, I got all this shit done because I was dropping the shift linkage. And I was like, hey, you might as well just take out the exhaust, huh? It's gonna be fun. Took out the shift linkage, and I have to send a picture to Mark from Honda Street Garage because this is my very first stick shift car. I don't know if it'll work because it says it was for a B series, but the guys at Nemo's Garage said it's for a D series too. Like it's either way. I'm not sure if you guys know. Please leave the information in the comments down below. I'm going to be replacing all these bushings right here. All these with the Cusco, whatever bushings that I found a site for. They're like $10 each. So this is like what? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 bucks. That's not bad, right? I got to cut all this down here all the way through. I'm probably going to weld up like, yeah, like, oh man, it's just falling apart. All this is just rust, so I'm gonna have to cut that, and then when I get that tool, I'm gonna cut all this out because I have the new quarter panels for this, so I'm gonna probably cut it from right here where the bono is, work my way up, go all the way around, and hopefully I can get it welded by my buddy Tony. But I still haven't done this side because there's fucking spider webs, and I'm terrified of spiders because I'm a little bitch. So we still got to get that done. Man, there's just rust there too. Can I win? Can I please win? Well, I mean, I guess that's not that bad. It could just be sand and, well, wire wheeled and primered. But look at how loose this metal is. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty loose. Fuck. Gonna wrap up today's video. I filmed over a week of progress and just shenanigans. So we'll continue the next video when I'm actually cutting shit. So this car is gonna look chopped up, and I'm gonna get shit for it because my grandpa's gonna be like, "Oh, this car is crap. Why are you chopping it up?" I gotta get it fixed, man. I gotta fix it. So I mean, like, look at this. Look at it. It's bad. Look at it. There's a fucking hole here. A hole I could stick my fingertip in. How? How does this happen? Is this? Oh man. There's rust here too? Oh man. Ugh. If anybody wants to help me, anybody wants to come over and just help me de-rust the hell out of this car, I will give you 2 slices of pizza and 1 Dr. Pepper. I said this is going to wrap up this video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazz. I'm Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it, or whenever the fuck that CRX from the Y94 Barbados Yellow Curse decides to let me win. So, peace.